Savage Summer here. Welcome back for a new YouTube video. Today, we have kind of a lot of money. So today, as you guys can see, if we go to the gifts, there's the new update, which is the Choo Choo Train, guys. I'm so happy for it. Guys, we're not far. Let's see. Oh my god, guys. Look at it. It's brown and black and gold and with lights. We definitely have to buy some. I have enough for 2, I think. Yeah. But I will get some money after so we can buy more. So yeah, let's take a vehicle and go maybe back home. I think someone notices me. I have to run. Okay, so I'm gonna go back home. Wait. I'm gonna go try to set up a home in the city somewhere. I will be back. Okay, guys, so I set it there. Now, let's open the gifts. So I'm gonna go take the first one. Ready? And next one. Okay, so yeah, okay. Next one. Please don't be crib. Oh, it's a propeller. Well, it's still fine, but it's ultra rare after all. But okay, guys, so I buy some more. So yeah, so we can kind of see I buy 3. So let's begin. Why not this again? Come on. Next up. What's dog leash? Then I hate cribs. No, I have the feeling. No. So guys, as you guys will see, I got a crib. But whatever. Guys, it's the end of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I will be back with another video soon. Bye!
Yeah, you got that yummy, that yum.